What's up everyone? So my wife got a package in the mail today and she's excited about it, and I'm excited about showing you guys what it is.
I got my very own Lectric XP Step-Thru.
That's right guys, you heard her right. She got a Step-Thru. Now if you guys ordered one of these bikes, please do not email Lectric asking when yours is going to ship. They did not ship yet. They're not shipping until mid to late August. So they were nice enough to send me a bike early to review for everyone, and I wanted to first say thank you very much to everyone that has commented on all my videos, how helpful they were, and how even on my YouTube channel and also on the Facebook forum about how helpful they were, and also about them sending me a bike to review for all of you. Now she's gonna go ahead and start opening this thing up and unboxing it for you guys, because I know you guys ain't gonna want to wait around for me to finish blabbing on, but if you guys stick around and watch, I appreciate it. And just want to thank you guys, because that watch time, the likes, all the comments on all my videos really helps my channel out and it helps YouTube recommend my videos. So thank you guys very much for all that over the past 9 months of commenting on my videos and everything. Now, if you guys have followed me over the past 9 months, you know I made a lot of Lectric XP videos, a lot of helpful videos for everyone, and that has not gone unnoticed. So now I reached out to them about the same week that it was to be released. I heard early on the Facebook forum from a few people that they were coming out with that model. And if you all have watched my channel over the past 9 months, you know that I've been actually looking for a Step-Thru for my wife. I didn't want to, I looked at a lot of different models, but I didn't want to jump the gun and buy anything until they released this, because I had a feeling that it was going to be priced comparable to my Lectric XP, which is $899, which is unheard of for an e-bike with a 500 watt motor and all the things that it comes with the fat tires, the rack, the fenders, and all that. If you guys want to see what all that has, go ahead and check out my video. I'll put a link to my playlist on my e-bike below if you guys are interested in checking anything out on that model. With that being said,
look what we got, some bags!
Oh, no way, they even sent us free panniers. I wasn't expecting that. That's awesome. I didn't expect that at all, so cool. She got the panniers that I've been using on my bike. So now she was super excited when she got this bike, because she wanted the white model. She actually wanted me to contact them and ask them to send her a white one. I was like, no, just let them send you whatever model they want, and they sent her a white one anyway, and she was super excited about that when she seen that. And I personally prefer the black one. I think the black ones look better in my opinion, but she liked the white one, so there you have it. She's going to be riding that one the majority of the time anyway. So now I'm getting off track a little bit. I'm a little excited. So now I had a million videos in mind for making my first video on this bike, but I really wanted to just get this thing open and show you guys the first look at it. Now this isn't going to be a real in-depth detailed video on the bike. Just like I said, I wanted to give you guys a first look at it and show you guys what it looked like, but I will be doing future videos, on a lot of future videos on this bike, I promise. Comparisons against my XP sizes, everything like that. If you guys have any recommendations on anything that you would like to see, make sure you put that down below in the comments, and I'll try to get a video made on whatever you guys are interested in seeing. Now with that being said, like I said before, I appreciate all your comments, all the likes, all the watch time. I mean, all those things is what makes YouTube recommend my videos more. So I'm greatly appreciative of all the watch time and everything that you guys have given me on my channel over the past 9 months. Now, if you watch some of my other videos, you know that my channel is not just based on e-bikes. It's based on basically reviews, tech, tutorials, things that I do. Things that I've just experienced and feel that I can make a video on and teach you all about. So it's been really an honor for me to see all the help that everyone has been getting from my videos, and I want to thank you guys again for sticking around and for subscribing to my channel. So, and if you haven't done so yet, please do that. So let's go ahead, I'll show you here the rest of the unboxing, and like I said, if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you put them down in the comments, or just if you have any comments at all, just put them down there, and I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. Got the little helper there. He helped me on my unboxing as well.
There was a piece of foam here. There wasn't when you got yours, was there?
I can't remember.
It seemed like it was packaged really well.
That folding joint so far I think looks a little different. than my current bike. I think that's about the same as the original model. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this on a tripod here and give her a hand with the rest of this unboxing here, I think. I'm sorry guys that this isn't like one of my normal detailed videos, but I just wanted to get this content out there as soon as I could to you all so that you could see what this bike looked like. I know a lot of you are anxious to see it. We're going to be busy over the next few days, but I'm going to definitely try to get some more stuff out soon. Alright, everything turns on, looks pretty good. I'm going to check out everything that was bent on my original unboxing. The rack looks great, it's not bent. The derailleur, it might be bent in a little bit. I'm probably going to have to bend that out, but I don't want to do that. I'll show you guys up close what I do there. Alright guys, so there it is there opened up. I'm going to give you guys a closer look. And I did want to mention one thing. When I reached out to Lectric about sending me a bike early, they actually told me that I was already on the list of people that they wanted to contact about sending me this bike early for review, and that was awesome. I guess with all the feedback that everybody's given me on my channel about how great my videos have been and how useful they've been for everyone, I guess that goes a long way. And with that being said, I told him that, you know, if they send me the bike early, that my channel is 100% unbiased, and he was, even before I could even get that far, he cut me off and he was like, I wouldn't want it any other way. We wouldn't want it any other way here at Lectric. After we send you this bike, we really don't require any further contact with you. I thought that that was awesome, and that was one thing that I wanted to share with you all about the bikes that they do send out for review. So that's a plus in my book. And one thing that they said that they liked about my channel was that everything was raw. They liked the raw videos that I was making, just an ordinary person with the bike making videos, putting out good content that's educational for everyone, and they really liked that. So that was one other consideration of why they're sending me this bike. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's go ahead and take a little bit of a closer look at it. Alright guys, so I just checked over the whole bike and checked over all the nuts and bolts and everything. One thing that I did notice was the derailleur guard was bent in, which is on a lot of bikes. That's no big deal. That's what that's there for, to protect it during shipping and after. So it did its job. I'll show you guys here what I mean by that and how I'm bending that out, how I'm going to bend that out. But one thing that I did notice is that the hinge here, it's a little bit of a different design than what's on my current bike. This is more like the original first models that were out, the way that it clamps together, and then they changed it to kind of go over. And I'll show you guys in a future video detailed on that exactly what I'm talking about. But I noticed that was a little bit different. The angle of the frame where it comes together is at a different angle, so I'm assuming it's going to use a different battery. I haven't taken the battery out yet and compared, but I'm pretty sure that it is going to be a different battery. They even market a different battery on their website for the XP Step-Thru, so that's probably why here, because of the angle of the frame, that they had to make this one for it to be able to fold correctly and be structurally sound. So I'm going to show you guys now, when you shift into 7th gear, you can see here that the derailleur is hitting this guard and it won't go into 7th gear. A lot of times these get bent during shipping, so basically you want to grab it. Well, first I'm going to go ahead and shift back down to get that derailleur away from there so that I have some finger room, but just grab it and just bend it out. Now it's not super easy to bend. Just bend that out and then make sure when you shift that you can go ahead and shift all the way down into 1st gear without it touching that derailleur, which is right there. Now you can hear that the brakes are rubbing a little bit. I still have to adjust those, both on the front and the back, but other than that, the bike looks like it's in excellent shape, which is a relief. My first one got damaged, you know, coming halfway across the United States with FedEx. I mean, sometimes you will have that, but other than that though, the bike looks really good. I'm going to show you guys here a little bit of detail on it. Yeah, I think I might have said you needed to be in 1st gear and not hit that derailleur, but what I actually meant was 7th gear. And I noticed that, I mean, pretty much most of the other stuff on this bike is exactly the same as what's on the original XP. It looks like the motor's the same. The rack's pretty much the same. It's designed a little bit different on the rack. You can see here how it comes out around the brake caliper. So that's different on the one side on that rack. But we're going to go ahead over measurements and everything like that, comparing exactly to the original XP in a future video. But I just wanted to get this thing unboxed and give you guys the first look of it. Like I said, just got it today. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys subscribe and click that bell so you guys don't miss any of the future videos that I have planned for this bike. We're going to go ahead, finish going over it, adjust these brakes, and take it for a spin. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you definitely on the next one.